Snapchat is an application dedicated to socializing through instant messaging, photos and videos shared by its users. Here you can select the duration time which you want the receiver to visualize the photo before it is destroyed. You can also edit the photo at your leisure, adding text or drawing on top. It is important to note that Snapchat messages totally creative and different filters, which will make your photo the best experience, since you can laugh with your friends and change the filters as much as you can until you find the right one for your image, attracting the public in general. In case you did not know, Snapchat also has video calls available. Just by having the previously opened conversation and pressing the send button, you can chat with the other person in real time. This application lets you know if the content you have uploaded has been copied by a screenshot or by another person. We all have the right to take a photo and not be as good as we would like, because the idea of Snapchat is to share those things that we will not upload because they are short-lived. An informal environment that allows dynamism when communicating and taking our photos and videos to a fun and different context.